Before I start to go towards the challenge, let me first start from the very basic uh, point of how the whole data world starts. And to understand, let me quickly take you from the basics, and then we'll start from bottom to up. So if you look at the screen, we have a very simple data point, which is showing us the combination of two fields. Obviously, one is the age. Let me put age in here, and the other one is state. Now that is actually a data point. And for example, if I want to enhance, I can add the name, for example, Bob. So Bob has 20 years old and Bob is living in Victoria. Now that becomes one record, which is nice and sweet, very clean record. But now imagine slowly we have more and more points. So that means the records are growing and they are growing over the time. In another graph, if we look at the time and the number of records, we're gonna see we have a directly proportional relationship. That means we're gonna have a line which is going up and up over the vertical axis. And the reason is that over the time we collect more and more records. The records are not going to be static at any point in the future. Every day we're gonna collect the data. So if I come back to my first graph, we can store this data efficiently, no problem. We can extract useful information from it, all good. However, as soon as the volume goes up with the time, the management will be difficult. Okay. So that's where the challenge starts. And obviously in this area, we have 3 fields, but obviously in the real system, we have sometime thousands or maybe millions of fields. Really depends upon type of system, which type of system which we are using to extract the data. Okay, so now in this slide, we have seen the challenge which we are seeing from the data. Now that's only with one system. So for example, we have one system and we just look at the one data set. And now you can imagine these records combined to form a data set. So if I actually change the color, so that form a data set. Cool. So in the next video, we're gonna see how that data sets later on pose the some really big challenges when we enter in the analytics. So stay tuned for the next one.